Yes, viewers and subscribers, you're back again with Ganstar Ras, cooking with Ganstar Ras. Season 4, episode 4, I mean. So you know the jogging, follow me and see what we are going. So, this is Jamaican jerk chicken slash jerk pork slash festival. So let me show you what I'm going. This is the chicken, it don't clean or season or nothing. This is the piece of pork. I'm going to put it on the fire for boil, for tenderize. Yeah. See the seasoning, flour goods, you know, to make the festival. Last of them thing there. Baking powder at least. And walkers with jerk seasoning, hot and spicy. I don't know want the spice in the chicken. Yeah. Jamaican tomato. Add some cinnamon leaf. Cinnamon and pimento. I'm gonna add some salt into this and put the pork to boil, to tenderize before we put it on the grill. Yeah. So that's the pork. I'm gonna prep up the meat down. Let's add in the garlic. Everything you want. And the thing you might not want is this step. Yes, bro, so we out here frying the pepper boy. Black pepper. Yeah, 2 packs of all-purpose, Maggi all-purpose. You know that we do the trick. It gives it flavor. Yeah. This is now same thing again, dog. We are do the dough. Ain't nothing to it. We are gonna add a little this tonight, yeah? Some of them walkers with the original jerky jerk. If you talk about jerky and talk about walkers with jerk seasoning, you can keep your old pound seasoning, brother. Gone are the days. Yeah, if you not this, it don't make no sense, you see? Herbs and spices and everything nice. Yes, fam. So this is episode 4. We hope you keep the score to show you what's trending now. So you know, go and check me back when everything I go chew on and chew out, dog. Yeah. So ready for season. We're gonna leave some for the pork. But we're gonna add some pork seasoning in it, you know, before we rub it here. And this is a thing for us too, you know? Not everybody cooks or jerk this way that I'm doing. So if you want to use my style, use my style, you know, but others have their own style. Yeah, so the seasoning add in and thing. Cover that, make it go and marinate. It should have been marinating from last night, but you know, I want to show you the whole prepping and the whole thing before it touch the grill. So that is why we're late. It will go and marinate and we'll wait for the pork to boil. But until then, one ends out now, friend. Yeah, I'm not left them. I put them on the grill too. The rest of that shit over there. The rest of the pork on this side, right? Make it more smoked than roast. Go for your chicken. Ready? Yeah. So I rest them upon this apart. Rest the chicken on the other side. It's against the jerking law. So this is the all-purpose flour and this is baking powder. Special pot number is going right up. It's 30. Congratulations. Festival. This is the mix. That's the first on festival. Check it. Yeah, so do what we need to make the festival. And it has set, you know. Go check. Secret of the jerk. Jamaican jerk. Them and well soak with heat. Yeah, then get there first turn rest and treat because the pot was too hot I guess. But we're gonna make them soak.
That's why we tell us that we know that across the road.
Yeah, so finished product. Yeah, a little spice and a little tomato ketchup. So this is the finished product.
That boy is a killer.
I'm telling you.
Come with me.
I'm telling you. Jesus Christ. This one is amazing. You should be close to taste this thing. You see that there? That one is hot. And then you like, subscribe, share, Cooking with Ganstar Ras, episode 4. As I say, I jerking. Right? I tell them I go to see it. It's a work.